Delete iPhone photos on a Mac using the Photos or Image Capture app. For macOS Catalina and later, use Finder. For earlier versions, use iTunes. You can also manage photos with iCloud. For more flexibility, try third-party tools like Mobican Assistant for iOS. Let's explore these methods. Way 1. Delete iPhone photos from Mac with Image Capture. Connect your iPhone to your Mac and trust the computer. Open Image Capture, select your iPhone, and wait for the photo library to load. Press Command-A to select all photos, click the trash icon, and confirm the deletion. Way 2. Delete imported photos on Mac using Photos app. Open Photos and go to Import. Select Photos or press Command-A for all. Right-click and choose Delete X items, then confirm. Don't forget to empty Recently Deleted to permanently remove them. Way 3. Delete photos from iPhone on Mac via iTunes Finder. Connect your iPhone to your Mac via USB. Open Finder. Click on your iPhone in the sidebar. Select the Photos tab. Choose the photos to delete. Click Delete or press the Delete key. Way 4. Delete pictures on iPhone from Mac using iCloud.com. Sync photos on your iPhone to iCloud by going to Settings, your name, iCloud Photos, and enabling iCloud Photos. Open Safari and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Click Photos. Select Photos to delete. Click the trash can icon and confirm deletion. Way 5. Delete iPhone pictures from Mac with Assistant for iOS. Mobican Assistant for iOS Mac version efficiently deletes unwanted iPhone photos. To free up space, with one-click preview and deletion, it's a globally praised tool. Let's explore its features for managing iPhone photos on Mac. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a Mac and launch the software. After downloading and installing it, follow the simple on-screen prompt to let the program recognize your device successfully. Step 2. After recognition, the program will categorize all iOS files on its left menu. Pick Photos to view all your iPhone pictures on the right panel. Step 3. You can preview and select the photos you want to delete. Or you can also click on the blank box next to Name to select all listed images. Finally, click Delete to remove the pictures from your iPhone.